उतार कर जाया करूं, कच्चा कि बढ़िया।
Anushka Sharma's proximity with Virat Kohli is a known fact by now. However, even after having spotted the duo's unseen gone seen with live-in rumors and dinner dates, Anushka feels naked to answer questions regarding Virat. Apart from her media encounters, Anushka recently shot her coffee with Karan episode is with Virat-related questions. Now none can escape Karan's scanner, right? While she confidently claimed Virat as her favorite cricketer, Karan's following questions didn't go easy as expected. With questions pondering on her relationship status, live-in stance, marriage and whatnot, Anushka finally gave up and stated that she feels naked over Virat's topic. Well, we wonder what more is in store with Anushka's naked state. What do you think? Will she give up and make her relationship official? Do give us your opinion in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Uncut.